Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix can't turn on real-time protection in your Windows Defender, in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step that you need to do is you need to press Windows and R key together. Again, it is Windows and R key together. And here you need to type regedit. Click on OK. When your user account control will ask you to say yes, just go with yes so that you would be able to open your registry editor. Here you need to paste a path, okay? This is a registry path which I'll be pasting at the description box below, so no worries for that. Okay, let me just paste this. Let us paste it here and then click enter. The moment you've clicked on enter, you would be redirected here at the real-time protection. Just simply click on it, and here you would be able to see disable real-time protection. Okay? So in my case, I don't have such. Okay? So when you see there, disable real-time protection, just do a right click. Let's say, for example, this is the real-time protection. Do a right click and go with delete. Once done, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed. If you can turn on the real-time protection. Unless if it doesn't, then let's move on to our next step, which is here at the bottom search bar, you need to type CMD to search for command prompt. Okay, and go with run as administrator. Your user account control will ask you again to say yes. Just proceed to yes so that you would be redirected here in this window. Here you need to paste a command sfc space / scan now, which I'll be pasting in the description box below, so no worries. Click enter. So this will do system scanning and this process will take some time depending on your machine. Just have to wait until the process and the verification would be completed, and don't turn off your computer, and might as well don't turn off this command prompt window. Wait until this would be completed. Okay, once done, you need to close this, and then here you need to type once again CMD and go with run as administrator. Okay, and your user control will ask you again to say yes. Just proceed to yes, and here you need to paste a command. Okay, Control C to copy and then Control V to paste. Select enter. So this will restore the health of your computer and this will fix your problem. Okay, the errors, the problems, the issues that you have faced in your machine, like can't turn on real time, will be fixed. Again, this process will take some time. Just have to leave this command prompt window open and don't turn off your computer unless this is done. Once done, just have to restart your computer. Okay, and then the moment you've relaunched your computer, you're good to go and your problem will be fixed. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.